Hi, hello, welcome back to the new video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the cookies and sessions. And I hope you probably come across cookies and sessions before. But if you haven't, I just wanted to show you how that is going to work. So, for example, you you just go to the Amazon website and you wanted to buy something, so there are so many things. So what what do you think is the best thing that I can buy for myself right now? So for example, I just wanted to buy this. mm, okay, so I'm just going to add it to cart, and I'm just going to get out of this website now. So I have done some action in the website, right? And I have done some action in the website, and that will create a cookie, and that will save the cookie into my browser. And I'm going to show, first thing first, if I go to the Amazon.in, and let's check whether the action that I have done is stored. Here you can see that. So cookie has been created and added into my browser. So what I'm going to do is to delete the cookie. See all, guess they will come. Where? So unfortunately it isn't here. I'm just going to press cookie, set cookie, and go to the third party cookies, and go to the see all site, and here I'm going to search the Amazon, and here's the cookie. So there were total 12 cookies have been stored into my browser when I have just go to the website and added the thing into my cart. So when I deleted this cookie, let's see what will happen. I'm just going to refresh. Here you can see that the action that I have done and the cookie that have been created is now destroyed, and now it is not, the server is not sending the data. So now I guess you may understand why this is happened. And and here you can see that what I have done is I just deleted the cookie. So I want to tell you one thing is, you should be careful when you delete the cookies, because I have deleted all data, all cookies into my browser. What happened is I've lost so much data, so many passwords and my personal information. I don't want you to be ended up with that situation. So that's the thing you should be aware of. And now guess you understand the cookies. So when the Amazon adds those cookies to my browser, it also means that I go and visit another website. Say if I go to the some kind of website which is Amazon. So sorry, why did I Netflix? So if I go to the website, then it's know that who I am and what item that I wanted to buy on Amazon, and it will try to re I mean remind me of that thing that I wanted to buy, you know, that cloth from the Amazon. and this is all done through cookies and session. So how this is happening, I just want to tell you or remind you that this cookies and session thing is very very important. I think I'm going to use this more often in the future, and I'm going to use it for project purposes or for work. So guess this is very important. So that is why I need to make it so much clear to myself and to you so that it will be understandable. So I'm going to use Crawler.io for to show you the visual effects. So first I'm going to create, I mean, this is browser, and this is Amazon server. So this is my personal browser and this is my Amazon server. So when I try to make get request to the Amazon server, um, uh, shit, mm, 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 just delete it. Okay, guess this is good. Why it is coming only is staying over there? Hmm. So when I try to make a get request, like this. So now that I have made a get request to the Amazon server, which I can show you through the text as well. Hmm. It looks like I don't know how to use it very well. So now that I made a get request, the Amazon will send me a response through files such as HTML and CSS and JavaScript files, and it will give me a website, show me an website of homepage, and so it is sending a response, right? So now this send me a response as a website, front end website or what's called homepage. So now that I made a request, or what request, that is what I called, I mean post request, or how that is happened, I'm going to show you like this. Here you can see that I send the get request to the Amazon server, and it will send the response as a web page of homepage. And after that, I wanted to buy a cloth or a bag. So now that I added the bag into my cart, and what will happen is it will send a post request to the what is called Amazon server. And when I send the I mean when it receives, it will create a cookie, and it will send a response, and it will send that cookie as well, and it will save that cookie into my browser so that it will save the data. So this will know that what product I wanted to buy. So that's how it will remind me, so that I hope you understand. After that, I want to tell you is, so now what happened. So I have distracted and get out of the website when I just added the item into my cart. And when that happened, I have visited the Amazon web page next day, and you can see that I mean that cookie's been still there, and it is reminding me to buy the item. So that's how it's happening. So So the next time that I have request to go to the website, what will happen is the cookie gets sent along with this get request, and it will allow the server to be able to identify who I am and see if I had any previous session on Amazon, reveal what was the previous things that that I wanted to buy on this what is the previous session that I have, what is the data that I have, what are the things that I wanted to buy, and if there's anything that I wanted to buy, and it will show them, or it will also render the cart. So hope you understand how things happened. Hope. And there are so many types of cookies, so but in this time the types of cookies that we are going to be looking at are the one that are used to establish and maintain a session. A session is a period of time when a browser interacts with the server. So do you want me to teach you how what is called session works? For example, so when you try to log in into into a browser, so that's when fortune cookie will is going to be created. Fortune cookie, what it will do is it is going to what's called it's going to store your details, such as your password, or it will tell the browser that you are authenticated or not, and so that it won't ask you to log in again or authenticate yourself again, or it won't show you the web page of authentication. You can use the browser as long as you won't log out, or as long as the cookie is still alive. So when you try to log out, what will happen is your cookie also is going to be get destroyed. So next time you got a what you- I mean you got a login, so your session is also going to destroy when you log out. So hope you understand about the session as well. So we're going to be implementing cookies and sessions into our website of secret submission. So where are we are authentication kind of stuff, right? This is the module of authentication and storing password and security, right? So we're going to be adding cookies and sessions into our website of secret submission, and we're going to be doing it by using passport.js, which is very very important and very very flexible. It allows us to authenticate users using either local strategy like what we're going to be doing right now, that is username and password, or whole bunch of things. There are total 500 plus strategies. Here you can see 539 now. So those are, you can log in with Twitter, or locally Netflix, Microsoft, Google, and Instagram, and GitHub, and so many other things, so many other websites. You can, I mean, user data will be secured, and you can done it very easily as like you are playing with some kind of stuff. So 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 this is the thing that we are building, that is 9.3 sessions and cookies. So let me show you where are the package.json. These are the packages newly added, that is express session and passport local. I'm going to explain you in the next video. because this is very important, right? I just don't want to make it very lengthy video. So that's it for today. Hope you all learn something very important or new. And as always, I will hope for the best. Thank you so much. Bye then.